I would highly recommend to any other developer to use Wren. The quality of the product is absolutely awesome. The way everything was done just makes our life a lot easier. My name's Chris Fairburn. I'm the director of C&L Fairburn Properties. This is Kennet Views, 13 executive houses in Louth in Lincolnshire. With our houses, we like things to last. The tiles on the floor, the kitchens, the bathrooms are all spec'd by me, myself personally. A door that you tap and it's just hollow is no good to us whatsoever, because you know that's not going to last. We was originally contacted by Anna at Wren. We used to use a different manufacturer before, and I explained to her that we need high quality kitchens at a very quick pace to get ready for people that are moving in.
The quality was really important for Chris because he's building luxury homes. All his houses got a really nice marble floors, underfloor heating. They're really well thought out. So the kitchen did need higher quality to achieve that look overall. When I met Chris in show home, he explained to me that he needs really quick turnaround. I have told him that we are more than able to do that and deliver, and the kitchen was delivered in a week from point of sale.
We had a show house to get ready within 7 days, and she pulled out all the stops and got it done. She designed it that afternoon. Cost was within budget. The quality was brilliant. Just what we wanted. Wren delivery was absolutely brilliant. They brought everything into the house, placed it where we wanted it.
Chris and his joiner Andy, especially Andy, mentioned that it's very easy to install our kitchen as they are fully built. The plans that arise with A0 are very easy to understand and follow.
On a big kitchen like in the house that we're in now, it's probably saved us about 2 days' labour. It makes our life a lot easier for fitting. We had a few things that come damaged, but within 48 hours it was all replaced. When we sell a house, we let the customer go to Wren Kitchens. We give them a budget.
He gives my details to his customers to let them choose their own kitchens from all the ranges that we have.
The showroom that Wren have got are far superior to other manufacturers. They come back to us, we look at the design, make sure we're all happy with it. It's so hassle-free for us. We get the quality finish that we want, they get the quality finish that they want, and everybody's happy. We give a 2-year warranty as a developer, but after the 2 years, the kitchen's guaranteed for 25 years from Wren. I'm very confident these kitchens are going to last a very long time. Our next development is 9 dwellings near Grimsby, and then we've got another site in Louth with 34 dwellings on. We definitely recommend Wren to the customers. Between us and Wren, we can make it something spectacular.